In this video, you are going to learn how to make fruit salad. So for the fruit salad, I'm just going to be using few fruits. You can use as many fruit as you want. So I'm going to be using apples, then I'm going to be adding bananas to it. So I already cut all these fruit into slices. So I cut them into little sizes. Then I added pineapple to it. Now the next fruit I'm going to be adding is my watermelon. So you can make it smaller or big depending on the sizes that you want. Now the next thing I'll be adding is my yogurt. So you can decide to use yogurt or you use milk, either liquid milk or yogurt, but I'm going to be using yogurt for this. So now because I'm using yogurt, I'm just going to be adding a little amount of honey to it because I'm using unsweetened yogurt. So this is my honey. I'm just going to add a little portion, just a little. I don't want it to be too sweet. So this is because I'm using unsweetened yogurt. So if you are using milk, you don't need to add any sweetener to it. So you're just going to stir it. So I'm just going to place, you can add groundnut to it. If you have groundnut, you can add groundnut to it. So I'm just going to place it inside my refrigerator